So these are Himalayan Delight brand, Nepal's best, Thukpa noodles that we are about to make. And we have here some shredded cabbage. We have some stripped carrots here. Then we have some stripped red capsicum, and we have some green capsicum. So that's all the veggies we will be using today. It's a lot of cabbage, which is going to, of course, reduce. So that's the veggies, and then of course our aromatics to season the oil. We have some red onions here, some hot peppers, habanero over there. And we also have here, some of the onion is here too, but we have some chopped ginger and chopped garlic as well, So this is how we are going to be making the noodles. So these are how this brand of noodles look like. It's not too thin or too thick, as you can clearly see.